The history of France is rich and complex, spanning thousands of years. Here is a brief overview of the major periods and events in French history. Ancient Gaul. The region that is now France was inhabited by Celtic tribes before the Roman Empire conquered the area in the 1st century BCE. Gaul became a prosperous Roman province. Frankish Kingdom. In the 5th century CE, the Franks, a Germanic tribe, began to establish their rule in Gaul. Clovis I, the first king of the Merovingian dynasty, converted to Christianity and created a powerful kingdom. Carolingian Empire. Charlemagne, also known as Charles the Great, expanded the Frankish kingdom into the Carolingian Empire in the 8th and 9th centuries. He was crowned as the Holy Roman Emperor in 800 CE and promoted education and culture. Feudalism and the Capetian dynasty. The Carolingian Empire eventually broke apart, leading to a fragmented feudal society. The Capetian dynasty, founded by Hugh Capet in 987 CE, gradually extended its control over various regions of France. Hundred Years' War. The Hundred Years' War, 1337 to 1453, was a series of conflicts between the Kingdom of England and the Kingdom of France. It had a profound impact on both countries and led to the rise of national consciousness in France under figures like Joan of Arc. Renaissance. The Renaissance brought cultural and intellectual flourishing to France in the 16th century. Francis I, a patron of the arts, invited Italian artists and scholars to the French court, fostering a period of artistic and intellectual growth. Absolute monarchy. The 17th and 18th centuries were dominated by the Bourbon dynasty, particularly under Louis XIV, known as the Sun King. Louis XIV centralized power and expanded French influence, but the monarchy faced increasing discontent leading up to the French Revolution. French Revolution. In 1789, the French Revolution erupted, fueled by Enlightenment ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The revolution resulted in the overthrow of the monarchy, the Reign of Terror, and the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleonic era. Napoleon Bonaparte, a military general, seized power and established the French First Republic in 1799. He later crowned himself Emperor of the French in 1804 and embarked on a series of military campaigns across Europe. Restoration and revolutions. After Napoleon's defeat, the Bourbon monarchy was restored briefly, but it was overthrown in the July Revolution of 1830. France experienced a series of political upheavals and revolutions throughout the 19th century, leading to the establishment of the French Third Republic in 1870. World Wars. France played a significant role in both World War I and World War II. In World War I, France suffered heavy casualties but emerged victorious. In World War II, France was occupied by Nazi Germany from 1940 to 1944 until the Allies liberated the country. Post-war France. After World War II, France went through a process of rebuilding and decolonization. It became one of the founding members of the European Union and played a key role in European integration. Today, France is a modern republic with a diverse cultural heritage and is known for its contributions to art, literature, cuisine, fashion, and philosophy.